Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to render wireframe. So as example, we use the cube objects and you can go to polycube tabs and you can increase for the subdivision here for width, height and also for depth. So we have these wireframes in these box objects. And if you want to render, you can right click, go to assign new materials and use the hyperset. Click on Arnold, and in there you can use the a wireframes, these tools, so to be applied to the objects. And you can go to the Arnold here, click open Arnold render view. So you can click play to render. So we have these example objects with the wireframes. You can change for the edge type here, like I will set into the polygon. So it'll be shows like in the model. You also can change for the fill color here. I will use the texture. You can click these icons, use the file, and then after it, you can open for the texture file in it. And I will use this texture, click open. So this is the examples. And we go back again to the object and you can go to wireframe here tab and you can change for the color here. So this point would be set to the white color for the wireframes, and this is for the line width. You can change for the line width at this point. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to render wireframe.